आज चाय भी नहीं है, सुट्टा भी नहीं, because smoking is very injurious to health. Smoking is injurious to health.
Right.
Do you know that?
Yeah, I don't smoke.
Sure.
Yeah.
Not even the bathroom.
No,
So people have
haven't
got.
even tried.
You haven't even tried? No, I need to spoil you for some time. थोड़ा सा होनी चाहिए ना कभी यार. अच्छा, how were you born and brought up? I mean, it was like a very ideal childhood. Who's
Yeah,
never eaten
it was.
tiffin at the classroom or never put chewing gums in the पीछे में.
No.
it was just-
I was naughty, but
Huh.
my parents used to teach me to be a very sincere child.
Oh, they tried teaching me also, and I.
Guess every parent does that.
Every parent does it, but you were the one who followed your parents' advices and
Not in their. I mean, when in their absence, I used to do all the naughty things.
all the naughty things.
Yeah.
But that did not include your smoking or
No.
उस तरह का
Was
stuff.
never in that.
So, what was the पाप that you have done in your life? मतलब अभी तक जिसको कहो.
Pav.
हाँ, जैसे मैं पापी हूँ, मैं एक्सेप्ट कर दे रहा हूँ, मैं पापी हूँ. मतलब मैं पैदा हो गया तो मैंने कह दिया पैदा हो गया, अब कर लो जो करना है, अब क्या कर लोगे मुझे.
Okay, one Pav
हाँ.
I can recall that once me and my sister we were in the mall.
हाँ
तो हम लोग Forever 21 में गए
हाँ.
and we liked this pair of earrings very much.
हाँ हाँ
And it's not that we cannot buy it,
हाँ.
but just for the fun of it.
हाँ.
चलो थोड़ा shoplifting करते हैं.
जिया वाह.
हम लोग लेके आ गए बाहर. It was
हाँ.
like 200-300.
अच्छा.
Then उसके बाद घर जाके ना
हाँ.
we were feeling really guilty. So I thought we have a
हाँ.
solution. We'll donate this amount in some mandir or somewhere.
तो दिल हल्का हो जाएगा.
हाँ कि हमने उतार दिया अपने ऊपर से.
दीप्ति was an RJ also. आवाज की दुनिया के दोस्तों, आपका दीप्ति का बहुत बड़ा नमस्कार. कैसा? How did you start your program? Tell me something about your RJ journey and how it
Oh,
started.
it was really good.
Yeah.
I used to love doing it. It was such an outlet for your expression.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
when people start messaging in and they like
What were the
your
programs
voice.
that you were doing there?
I was doing Play It Cool. I started with Wicked Hour Show, which was at night.
Wicked
midnight.
Show.
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah, Wicked
It's still going on here.
Yeah, it still is one of the most popular.
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
say it. Yeah.
Then Play It Cool. There was Matchless Music Hour. Just for You.
Acha. Okay,
Shows
okay.
like that.
Very nice, very nice. And the list of songs, how do you select it and do
I used to select the first song.
Okay.
उसके बाद the messages used to come in and I
Acha,
used to play requests. Yeah.
Oh, very good. Very good.
यार फिर मैंने यार कि मेरे गाना सिला दो.
उस type से.
I know.
Yes.
But
very
it was
nice.
fun. Like,
So the spiritual journey, when did it start? How did it start? And
I was always spiritual,
you were spiritual, not
Yeah.
religious.
not religious.
Okay.
I won't say I was.
And there's a
religious.
difference between being
Yes.
spiritual
there,
and being.
there is a lot of difference.
Okay.
Spirituality, I believe, it's within you. With the religion, we come. When we talk about religion, we're talking about the outer aspect of it, the things we do. We go to the temple or whatever, Gurdwara, church, be it any religion you follow, and we do certain practices. But with spirituality, I mean, it's a personal growth. How you connect with yourself, connect with your God, and the route to discover yourself.
Okay.
That is spirituality for me.
And what are the things that you specialize in now as far as spirituality is concerned? Or, I mean, tarot card reading also, Reiki also, and
I do a bit of Reiki.
okay.
I have learned Reiki, but I'm not practicing it as such now. I just practice it on my people, like just for free.
Okay.
But I am doing PLR, that is past life regression.
Past life regression.
Yeah.
मतलब पिछले जमाने में मैं क्या था वो पता चल जाता है.
बिल्कुल. पिछले जमाने में पिछली कितनी लाइफ में आप क्या क्या थे.
ये जो मेरे दोस्त हैं बहुत बदमाश हैं. वो कहते थे तुमको देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे पूर्वज बंदर ही होंगे. I mean, I did not know the meaning of it. लेकिन अब आस्ते आस्ते when I'm aging now, I'm maturing now, and I hope I'm maturing now. So then I realized that मुझे बंदर बुलाते थे वो लोग.
We all were
बंदर. खैर इस पर भी there's a whole debate.
Yeah.
There's a book written by a person who was anyways I don't want to diverse from past life regression. I mean you can actually tell me whether I was Maharana Pratap or I was one of his
I won't
darbaris.
tell you that.
Then
You will yourself tell me that. I'll just guide you, take you there,
अच्छा.
and whatever experience you have, whatever you see or feel, for that matter, you will tell me.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I'll just guide you.
So, कैसे कुछ जादू टोना करती कैसे ये आज तू जलाल तू ये मैं बन गया टंग I can see myself then उस तरह का stuff and
It's like hypnosis. Yeah, but not the hypnosis that we know of.
Okay.
जो commonly हम लोग बोलते हैं कि वशीकरण and all that. It's not like that.
But वशीकरण also is there.
No,
No.
not in this
In
stream.
in your this thing there's
No.
nothing called वशीकरण.
No.
वशीकरण है ये लड़की को पटाना है तो उसका बाल ले लिया और आज जैसे ही बाल को छोड़ा नीचे लड़की आ गई हेलो मुझे तुमसे मिलना है ठीक है एंड फलाने तांत्रिक बाबा who has got no branches anywhere you can consult him and whatever that's
I know.
I should not be making fun of the things which I don't know of I there must be things that existing
Yeah, I can talk a bit about that.
but you believe in energies
Very
spirits
much, very much. They're all around us.
we have spirits all around
Yes. Haven't you seen people like directors making movies about some, legends who died? And when they're shooting a very specific, very intense and, important scene, they'll often tell you that we feel the energy of that person here. Energies are there.
I made a movie on Hitler and Gandhi ji also.
So did you feel anything?
I did feel a bit of Hitler when, anyways, I don't know. I will talk about it some other time
Yeah.
because so energies are there
Yes.
and you control the energies also. How you invoke the energies? You call them for
No, I don't do that.
But you believe it's possible to?
There are energies, and in this way of treatment or therapy, we can help get you rid of those negative energies.
Negative energies.
Yeah.
So negative energies are inside us in our mind, or it's there in the universe.
They are in the universe, and
Then-
they latch onto your minds at times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Deepti, should I be scared of you?
No. Do I look scary?
No, you don't look scary at all. You're very sweet.
Yeah.
And with a golden voice, and she has been an RJ, and she has been a student of NI School of Mass Communication
Yeah.
also. That's the best part of it.
I know. that was something really good that happened to me.
Yeah. She takes classes also out here. But if you control the energies, or if you invoke the energies and make them work for someone, that means you have power within you, isn't it?
Everyone has power. I won't use my power. I'll just use my voice, my words to guide you to get rid of it. You will do it on your own. I'll just guide you. You'll get rid of the negative energies or attachments. There are entities at times, they get attached to you. So you get rid of them. It's a beautiful technique. People believe that they have black magic done on them, or there is someone, some soul fragment that is troubling them. They feel a presence around them. So there's a beautiful technique for that, which is so safe, and it works like a miracle.
So if I'm in love, so I attract love energies who make my day like this. How does it work? Different types of energies would mean not only negative energies, positive energies.
Yeah.
Cupid, all those Valentine's Day,
yeah.
where dil par तीर लग गया and heart यहाँ से निकल रहा है. It could be all kind of energies that are
Yeah.
around us.
It is said that you attract the same energy. The energy
Okay.
that you have, you attract it. People who are very vulnerable, or who are very, dominated by their parents or spouses or anyone, they're very vulnerable. So at times it happens, not a rule, but it does happen that once the domination goes, like the parent is no more there to control them, they still need that control, Psychologically, they want that control.
उसी
So-
तरीके से पला बड़ा हो गया है कि अब यार नहीं
It
रहना
becomes
होने
a
से.
habit, a pattern in the mind.
Okay.
So
okay.
these negative entities, they find these people very easy to grab and attach to them.
But it's not like that. If I want to talk to my grandfather and have his picture and then ask him something, इस तरह का
No,
कुछ
no.
नहीं, that's not.
What do you call that? That alphabet
Planchet?
thing? Yeah, planchet. It's not nothing like
It's
that.
Nothing like that. Okay. So why do people need past life regression? I mean, what are the cases
Well,
that normally?
people need past life regression to resolve issues like financial issues, like relationship issues, anxiety, and medical, health related issues. They do for that. And the best thing about past life is that it goes to the root cause of the problem, which I don't think so any other modality of healing does.
Okay. And how does it go? I mean, you hypnotize people. It takes how much time to hypnotize a person?
It
if he's
depends
willing?
on if he's willing.
Yeah.
And right brain people go more easily than the left brain ones, because obviously the logic comes in question. It's not like it's not logical. It is very logical, but there should be a will. There should be a belief in it.
Belief in it.
Yeah.
So to let it happen with
You have to have faith in it.
So normally what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes for hypnosis, and then
No, it will take around 5-10 minutes for the hypnosis to happen. And for the first timers, I'll take even longer than that, so that you reach a deep state of trance and hypnosis when you enter your past life.
and then you can see someone there, probably yourself there, and
It's like different people have different experiences. So some people watch it like a movie.
okay.
Some people have the feeling of it. They are more into the feeling, the emotion part, and the pain part. I've seen people experiencing the pain.
From the past life.
Yeah, when they are going through it, a traumatic experience. Suppose someone is hitting you, they feel
Yeah.
that they're being hit.
So that could be the reason. Probably someone has hit them, and this birth probably
Yeah.
they're
Having the pain.
having a pain
that
in the
part.
problem. Okay.
It is, if you have an unexplained pain in any part of your body, then for me the explanation lies in your past life.
Past life.
Yeah.
If you're not committed to a relationship, or probably you're a
Yeah.
freelance lover, probably something.
Everything.
That could be a result.
In fact, I believe everything relates in some or the other way to our past life. And we being born and brought up in India, it's so easy. We believe in it.
We believe in the system.
Yeah,
7 पुश्त तक गोत्र आपका क्या है, वो सब चीज क्या है, एक एक चीज हमें याद रखते हैं, और पूजा करने के समय 7 पुश्त का नाम याद रखते हैं.
Yes.
अगर आप भूल गए हैं तो बनारस के पंडित जी लोग से मिलिए,
जी.
वो खोज खाज के निकाल
हाँ,
देंगे.
उनके पास पोथियाँ
पूरा
रहती हैं,
पोथिया रहती
लिखी रहते हैं
है.
सबका.
Amazing. What system do they work on? I still don't
Yeah.
know about it, but they'll just
That's
ask
the
your
best
name.
thing about our country.
Yeah, so it's deep rooted. There's
Yes.
it's a study, you can say,
Yeah.
it's a science or art, whatever. I don't know which category you're going to be putting this inside, but this is very interesting. So, have you healed someone, or if you could give us some examples without taking the names of the patients, or
Yeah, I can tell you, but we are obviously
yeah.
not taking
Yeah,
the
yeah.
names. So I did this past life regression on one of mine own.
yeah.
So she was having, she had a baby, and the baby had a hole in the heart when he was born,
Okay.
and he used to keep unwell. So there were breathing problems that he used to have. At the age of 4, she had to get his operation done for the hole in the heart, which was a very difficult decision, because it was life and death question
Yeah.
for the baby. Such a delicate baby, it was tough. So when I regressed her, she realized that she was the elder brother to the same baby in a past life, and this younger brother, they had a fight, and he wasn't coming back home. So he was working somewhere. So she, or in the past life he, started coming back home only to realize that the place that he was working in caught fire,
Oh.
and he died of choking, of suffocating, not being able to breathe. And she had that guilt that I could not save my brother.
Oh.
Now he's the child to the same lady,
Okay.
and she saved his life taking that decision, and he had the same problem, the breathing problem, suffocating. which was caused due to a hole in the heart, and he was cured.
Wow, wow.
I was getting goosebumps telling you.
Yeah, this is something very amazing. Any other story, any other patients that you've dealt with?
Yeah, there are many stories, but I'd like to tell you mine.
Yeah.
So, there were a few days in my life I was going through really tough time and really stressful period. So I thought I might get myself, regressed into a past life. So I called a colleague of mine to do that on me. And when she did that on me, I told her I can see something blue. I cannot see anything. Otherwise, I am the person who very quickly slips into a past life.
Right.
That was the reason I was so attracted towards this modality of healing. So after that blue thing, I could see a cave. So I told her I'm seeing a cave, there's water and the walls are slippery, and I saw myself someone in very old times, and she said, what is the geographical location of the place you're in? So I said the first word that's coming to my mind is Mesopotamia. Then I saw myself meditating in the cave, and I came back after many years. I survived on the divine light. I did not have food or anything. I just meditated there, and it was so peaceful, calm and tranquility that I was experiencing inside the cave. And that feeling, while I was regressing myself, I was feeling that, actually feeling that. So when I came out of the cave, I went in young, I came out with grey hair. And I told that there was a blue light inside. And there were people who were scared of the blue light. They never used to enter because they were people from the ancient times, nothing was developed as such. So these things used to scare them. Why is this blue light coming from a cave? So I was with grey hair, I came out. Then when I came out, all my people, my relatives or my friends or the people that I didn't know, they all looked same to me. I felt so detached yet so similar to them. I felt like we are all souls and there's no difference between my brother or an unknown person or a stranger, like they're all same. Then I went on a journey to tell people about the experiences that I had, the spiritual experience that I had. And I remember very clearly when it was time for me to die, I have, we all are scared of death.
Yeah.
Everyone is. And in our religion it is said that, the soul is living. We just wear the body like a piece of cloth and we remove it and the soul keeps moving. And I actually felt that. I felt that I was just walking like a soul. I was living on the level of soul consciousness, and I was just walking. I just removed a jacket, and death felt nothing, absolutely nothing, no pain, nothing. It was so liberating. That night I slept like a baby. I was not able to sleep since so many nights, and I slept and slept. And in the morning my mom asked, why did you wake up so late? Did you not sleep already? I said, I have never slept like this.
Very nice.
So this was one experience which is like a first-hand experience. And the next morning, the left brain started working. I tried to Google. And when I Googled it, I had no knowledge about Mesopotamia, caves, anything. And I saw there are caves in Mesopotamia, and I saw pictures, they have water, and there is some phenomenon due to which, I think the calcium or something, which reflects in the sunlight and it turns blue. I was spellbound, speechless. I said, okay, this is true. I have never read or heard about it ever in my life.
पास्ट लाइफ रेग्रेशन करने में तुम्हारा भी एनर्जी लॉस होता है?
नहीं.
Spend जैसे for Reiki, you need to
Reiki, you need to meditate a lot.
Meditate a lot and actually send the energies to the
but in Reiki also it's not your own energies that you're sending. It's the positive energy from the universe. You are just acting as a channel.
Okay.
You are like a broadcasting channel.
Okay, so
You are
get
taking it from
messages.
there and passing it on.
Passing.
You act as a medium.
Alright.
But then you should meditate when you are doing such things for your own good.
Hmm.
You should.
Why should I meditate at all? I mean, normal life, look, for a person like me, normal life is like जल्दी करो, सवेरे उठो, अरे यार जल्दी नाश्ता करो, भागो, ऑफिस जाना है, ऑफिस में भी इतना प्रेशर है, फिर शाम को वापस आए थके के नाश्ता करो, वॉच सम टीवी, गो ऑफ टू स्लीप. ठीक है, टॉक लेस टू योर वाइफ. I mean, that's another.
That's meditation.
That's meditation.
That is meditation.
That is meditation, anyways. So why should I meditate at all? I mean, I don't know. That's.
You're a creative person.
Hmm.
You'll easily slip into meditation. Meditation is very important to connect with your own self, with your own thoughts. You realize your patterns. You're able to break them, the negative cycles of your mind. There is a lot of insight that you get through meditation. It was my first experience of past life was during meditation. I saw something and I was, what is this that I'm seeing? I was always inclined towards past life, knowing past lives, and since childhood I was like, hota hai, this is for sure, and I want to know my past life. But then the concept was not clear. I used to think only I have a past life. But now it turns out each and every one of us has a past life. We have not just come from the world of God today itself. We've been taking many births. It could be human beings,
So
animals.
I can actually, meditate through a process and figure out as to what I was doing in my last life.
Yes, your last life and many more. Many
शक्ल
more.
देख के क्या लगता है? शक्ल देख के क्या लगता है? पिछले जन्म में क्या होगा? कुछ भी होगा, सुंदर तो होगा और हाइट तो डेफिनेटली अच्छी ही होनी चाहिए और लड़का भी होना ही चाहिए. And you were the woman in that life that you went inside, or you were a man?
I was a man.
You was a man.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is not the only life that I have seen. I have seen many lives of myself. And in fact, this was the only one that I saw myself as a male. I have seen myself more as a female.
More as a female.
Yeah.
That is quite interesting. So Deepthi also does past life regression. You see the numbers that are coming here. Just in case if you want any kind of consultation to be done, you can always WhatsApp her on the number and take an appointment with her. Don't give her a call on this number because she's extremely busy. What else is going on in your life? I mean, apart from past life regression, anything special that you're doing?
I am just more
Traveling
concentrated
also.
on traveling.
Traveling.
Yeah. I love to travel solo.
Solo.
Yes. That's the best time to connect with yourself. Go into the deepest parts of your subconscious mind, which is a very liberating experience. You feel so powerful
Yeah.
when you're connected with yourself. You realize that each and every one of us is just a soul. You will never be afraid of anyone in life.
So relationships for you are like farce, बेकार है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. We are all born with a few relationships and we have a karmic debt towards them, and that's the purpose of it, in fact we are born as soul families. We are taking birth with same people around us, and they
Acha.
keep changing the relationship. Your brother might become your child, mother might become your husband, and it happens
And
like that.
पिछले जन्म का जो गड़बड़ किया था इस जन्म में
Yes,
उसको चुकाना ही
yes,
पड़ता है.
yes. We are caught in that cycle. That is why it says you should move towards nirvana. Be out of the cycle of life and death.
तो इस जन्म में कम से कम जितना पाप पिछले जन्म में किए थे ना इस जन्म में छुड़वा लो.
हाँ.
I'll just Paytm you my number out here. दान पुण्य करो. Let me enjoy this life. और पिछले जन्म में बहुत पाप किए हुए. अपने शक्ल को देखोगे ना, you'll see the layers. इस तरफ से देखो तो रंजीत और शक्ति कपूर से शक्ल मिलेगी तुम्हारी. आओ जितना आओगे बिना दान किए हुए you won't get the feeling कि तो पाप धुला है. Here's my Paytm number, please.
And in fact, Dan is very important.
हाँ no, बता दान is important.
Yes.
Yeah.
You should give 1/10 of your income. Yes, in donation.
And who could be a better person than me?
And 1/10 of your day to meditation or the
1/10.
worship of God, whatever way you feel like.
Okay.
Yeah. As per mentioned in our,
So all those atheists who think that there is no God and they can just walk away with doing whatever they want in life. है बेटा, है. इस जन्म में ही देना पड़ेगा तुमको. अब बच गए तो अगले जन्म में भी देना
And
पड़ेगा.
in fact, those who don't believe in God
हाँ.
or spiritual guides or masters, whatever, when they go through this process, we reach a catharsis when we see the end of the life. And I have seen so many people seeing a divine being during that time. Life between life, you know.
मुझे लगता है ना लास्ट प्रीवियस लाइफ में मैं सेंट हूँगा बाबा. I have this habit of preaching people and dominating their minds. So
Our habits are mostly a symptom of what we were in past life.
संपर्क कीजिए नलिन सिंह 1008 बाबा ज्ञानी है और there's a halo behind जैसे अमर चित्र कथा में होता था जैसे कुछ
Yeah.
there's a halo behind my head also पीछे से एडिटर डाल देना. ओम शांति. You can see the light coming out of my palm. Someone कोई क्रिएटिव आदमी ये सब इजाद किया होगा. And so राम मंदिर is also happening. I mean थे भगवान राम एग्जिस्ट कर रहे होंगे जब इतना लोग बातचीत किए हैं. The books are there.
Yes,
They
yes,
must have.
yes. I have seen now it's a part of history. It's not mythology.
It's not mythology. You believe in
Yes, yes, yes.
the Ram Setu bridge also must have
Yes,
existed.
yes, yes, yes. I believe in everything. Quantum physics, parallel universe, aliens. I believe in everything.
Affairs, extramarital affairs.
Yes, they are also due to past life.
You
Yeah.
have affairs due to past life.
See, you were in love with someone in the past life.
You couldn't get her.
You couldn't get.
So
Now
उसका
you
बदला
got
लेके
married.
10 लोग से प्यार करना बेटा.
Now you got married,
हाँ.
but that person comes. You'll find this attraction, uncontrollable attraction towards that person.
But it's like a heroine has 10 kind of people following her. उसका क्या हो सकता है? I was just imagining कि
That is only fans.
fan following. Cleopatra has a lot of fan following.
And these people who are very famous, they also have a strong karmic, account.
Yeah.
It's not easy. Not anyone can just get so famous. So many people. You influence so many people when you're famous.
अच्छा फेमस से याद आया मेरा नाम नलिन सिंह है. Google me. I'm very famous.
Yes, you
Back
are.
in India.
After having directed so many movies.
Lovely having you on my program called Chai Sutta with Nalin Singh. Normally chai भी रहता है, sutta भी रहता है, but this was a different experience altogether. Past life regression, I need to get inside it to know what I was in my earlier life.
Yes, you must.
And इस जिंदगी में जो मैं बदमाशियां कर रहा हूँ या गलतियां कर रहा हूँ वो मैं नहीं हूँ. Just because I did it in the last life, so please excuse me for this. Blame it on the karma, not this life, but previous life that I've had. And Deepti has given me gyan on this.
Yeah.
She's a beautiful female and she has evolved also, seeing her since 10 years, I suppose, more than 10 years.
Yeah.
And very famous RJ. My favorite program she has hosted. So just in case if you have any kind of doubts or questions about your past life regressions, your behavior in this life could be related with what you did in your earlier life.
Yeah.
And that,
one more thing I'd like to add here is that we often crib about the parenting that we get. It's very common these days. हमारे माँ बाप ने तो हमें बहुत सताया, बहुत मारा है, trauma है. We choose our parents.
we choose our parents.
Yes, parents never choose as souls.
Yeah.
They don't have the power to choose which soul is going to come. The soul chooses the parents. So better be happy with what you have. We often accept the challenges before coming into this life so that we can learn the lessons that are meant to be.
That's another ज्ञान. I think I need to get inside. अच्छा ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि मैं पिछले लाइफ में चला गया, उस समय मैं महाराणा प्रताप था और फिर वापस आ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, तो इस लाइफ में महाराणा प्रताप पहन के घूम रहा हूँ.
You're totally under control of your own self.
Okay.
See, if I'm doing past life regression on you and your phone rings, you are aware of it. If you're feeling hot, you'll tell me, can we switch on the fan please, so that we continue comfortably.
Okay. So there's
it's
a
all-
part of mind who is trying
You are
to
only
enter-
viewing
yeah.
it. You are only viewing it like a movie or a story.
Okay.
You might feel a certain aspect of it, but then you know that this is your life and that is a past that you are only viewing. Yeah.
Very interesting. Chai Sutta with Nalin Singh. अगले एपिसोड में मिलते हैं और दीप्ति को तो जरूर बुलाएंगे वापस. I will go through the whole process of past life regression and I'll share the experience also. Probably if you're interested to become a volunteer here, because मुझे डर लग रहा है कहीं मैं पिछले लाइफ में चला गया और इस लाइफ में वापस नहीं आया. समझो पिछले लाइफ में अगर मैं हनुमान जी था और इस लाइफ में फिर हनुमान जी बन के मैं घूमता चलूंगा तो कैसा लगेगा. My son would feel very bad about it. अरे यार पापा ठीक ठाक थे, अब बंदर बन के घूम रहे हैं. So I would not risk myself on it. If you are ready to volunteer, please message me. मजा आ गया तुमसे बातचीत करके. बाय बाय.
Same here.
बाय बाय.
Bye bye.
टेक केयर.